Texas is an economic powerhouse. If it were its own country, it would be the 8th largest economy in the world. It's a hub for innovation, sports, and massive corporate growth. But beneath the surface, there is a quiet crisis. Perfectly good, established local businesses are stalling out, while the corporate giants are taking over. We analyze the market, and the data is shocking.
Welcome back. You recognize where we're driving here? It's downtown Grapevine, known for its unique shops, great restaurants, a lot of charm. But several well-known businesses have closed up shop and they have moved on.
Some local businesses that were growing steadily until 2018 have completely flatlined over the last few years. Meanwhile, the enterprise giants in their exact same zip codes are experiencing record-breaking growth. Why? It's not because the giants have a better product. It's because they understand the new rules of the game. Since the evolution of AI and the dominance of short-form social media, the giants realize that business is no longer just about the service you provide. It is an attention economy. According to recent market data, over 70% of consumer decisions are heavily influenced by a brand's digital footprint before they ever make contact. The giants know this. They don't rely on word of mouth anymore. They have highly optimized websites, omnipresent social media, and targeted ads that follow you seamlessly across your devices. And here's the secret. It's cheaper than you think. They aren't spending millions to do this. They are just deploying their capital strategically. Now, look at your own business. You might have tried to film a few videos on your smartphone, posted them, and wondered why nothing happened. Or worse, you hired a generic marketing agency that promised rapid results. They took your money, bought fake followers and cheap clicks, and left you wondering why you have leads but can't close any deals. Let me tell you a story. At BELPAK, we treat our clients' privacy like a vault, so I won't name names. But recently, we analyzed a firm that was completely burned out. They were bleeding $3,000 a month on generic ads. Sure, they were getting leads, but the leads were terrible and they couldn't close them. They were losing to the massive corporate giants in their own backyard. They brought us in. We immediately stopped the cheap ads. We overhauled their digital infrastructure and replaced the noise with high-resolution, documentary-style brand videos that told their actual story and showcased their expertise. We didn't just buy clicks, we built authority. Within 6 months, their lead closing rate jumped by 40%, and they took over the top search spots in their zip code. They stopped competing on price and started dominating on trust. To win in Texas today, you need a genuine, authoritative presence online and inside AI search ecosystems. Fake growth doesn't equal revenue. At BELPAK, we partner with businesses for the long term. We build out your digital infrastructure so that when a prospect searches for your service, you look just as big, just as polished, and just as credible as the billionaires. This is the era of AI and digital dominance. The giants aren't creating their own content. They hire agencies like us to build their empires. Stop letting the giants steal your market share. Click the link below, let's schedule a strategy session, and let's build your digital authority so you can dominate your local market.